English with Billiebug. Present participle verbs and ing. The term present participle refers to the ing suffix. This suffix is used many different ways in English. The ing suffix can be used in the progressive tenses and with adjectives. Progressive tenses are also known as continuous tenses. By adding the ing suffix to an adjective, we are able to describe someone or something. We can also add the ing suffix to past participles to create noun modifiers as adjectives. When creating a gerund, we add ing to the base form of a verb. Why do we use gerunds? One simple reason. For facts. Here are present progressive examples. I am studying my English grammar now. You are studying English grammar all day today. We have been studying our English since yesterday. They were studying English last night. She will have been studying English for 3 hours by 5. He will be studying English next week. Here are adjectives with ing examples. I am reading a very interesting book. My car is making an annoying sound. That hurricane last week was frightening. The dinner she prepared last night was so satisfying. Here are gerund with like examples. I like reading spy novels. You like cooking for friends, don't you? We like watching movies on Friday nights. They like meeting with family on the holidays. He likes traveling to the mountains in winter. He likes photographing nature. I like shopping with friends. I like going to the park. She likes watching TV. I like using the computer. Ask your teacher to explain further the subject of present participle verbs and ing. Have fun with English. Thanks for watching. Blast off.
Bill, time for dinner.
Yes, dear.